Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I think all of you are doing well. And today is Sunday afternoon, and Sunday afternoon calls for an special Sunday lunch menu, right? Isn't it? So today we'll be preparing a special spicy egg chicken Schezwan fried rice. And for this, what we need is in front of us. So let us see what we need. Some finely chopped French beans, some spring onion shoots, the spring onion roots also, some finely chopped carrots, some nicely diced chicken, it's boiled and it's boneless, and then we have some frozen thawed peas, some chilli capsicum. This is optional. If you don't want to give, you cannot give also. A little bit of finely chopped and diced ginger, some finely chopped garlic, and then we have one egg, and also some chili flakes, but that is also optional. And finally, yes, last but not the least, we need some Schezwan sauce for the recipe. And yes, also we need some finely cooked basmati rice, some chili vinegar, red chili sauce, and some soya sauce for the seasonings. Okay, let's get it done. So let's get into it, and let's quickly start up the burner gas. We'll start the burner and set it to medium high, and then give some sunflower oil. Oh, that should do. And next we will fry the egg. We'll scramble the egg and fry it before we add garlic, ginger, and toss it. Now next we will be giving the chili flakes. Now the chili flakes are optional, as I said, but they do give a spiciness and a hot flavor to the fried rice, so I prefer giving them, and they should be nicely fried so that it adds to the smokiness. So there they go, and when the aroma of the garlic comes up, we'll give the other vegetables, that is the chopped carrots. Toss it a bit for half minute to 1 minute. Now we can see that the carrots have become a bit mushy and soft. So now it's the time to give the peas. There they go. And again toss it for about half a minute. This has been fried. Now we will give the vinegar. We'll give a cup full of vinegar. And then we will give the red chili sauce. Soya sauce. About half teaspoon. Then nice. Now it's the time to give the chicken. Next, we'll give our parboiled basmati rice. I have cooked it 3/4 so that it is not sticky. It is 90% cooked, and the remaining so I think the fried rice is cooked. Ready to be served. Found it off, and I would like to add some original seasoning. This is also purely optional. I add it because it gives an Italian and continental taste to it. That's why, but it's optional. You can skip it. So egg chicken spicy Schezwan fried rice is ready and served. Its rich aroma, its spice, fragrance, and the goodness of vegetables and the nutrition value of egg and chicken make it really a tasty and delectable meal for Sunday. And along with it, some clear chicken stock soup to complete the meal. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this recipe useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also if you have any queries, you can comment down in the box below, and also check out the description box for all the ingredients used. So thank you friends, we'll meet one day once again.